something that always exists.
I've not claimed that. I've said.
I am saying this is demonstrably true. It is. There is no way out of it. You have to.
That's what we're still investigating.
No, I ask.
Even, for instance, string theory is
What is string theory?
recent.
What is string theory?
String theory believes that basically light can be measured through in the form of waves.
Leave it.
At a high level.
Oh,
Again,
okay.
I'm not a
Fine.
physicist.
You know what? This brother is a physicist. So now tell him what do you understand by string theory.
I only know a high level of it. That's all.
Sorry? What is it?
Let me confirm you. Okay, don't talk about that. Dimension. You need energy. You need string. So these concepts you need together. I mean, at the first hand. So where do you get these things at all? I mean, it begins the universe from. So you need something.
Yeah,
And
it all
then
stems
from
from the
where
Big
you-
Bang. That's
No,
what.
the Big Bang is a result of that. They proposed the M theory that this, due to this dynamics of this M membranes, you get a task in the vibrating membrane, and you get energy burst, and then Big Bang happens. That is a way of explaining. But there is, you need at first hand, you need dimension, you need time, you need 9 special dimension and one time. And then you need energy, ability of this string, highly powerful energy, and then quantum field. And quantum field, even physicists do not know how much energy is there. I mean, in this vacuum, even we know only 5% of this universe. We know nothing about the law of dark energy, dark matter. Okay.
Exactly.
So do you realize something? So this is a sign for you that in our discussion, you have been provided with a physicist to answer even your question.
Yeah, and
Just think about it.
Told me
No.
that we don't know a lot.
No. Think about it. You need all of this. Where did this come from?
We're still investigating. We don't know. Yet.
Look, it's not what we don't know. These things don't pop.
We didn't even know the Big Bang existed.
These things don't pop into existence from nowhere.
Over 100 years ago, we didn't even
You
know the
know
Big Bang
that
existed.
you know that this cannot be without. I mean, this cannot be from nothing. You know, these things are concepts.
That's a reality.
To create concept, you need human intelligence. So space have to have certain properties. I mean, space is not something like randomly some concept. I mean, you have certain concept associated with space, certain properties linked with time. So these are well organized and well defined. So even in mathematics, you have to define relations. Otherwise, define quantities. What does that mean? It will not create anything. You have to give certain characteristics to do these concepts and in relation to these things. Then only you will run with energy, and then you produce the universe. So at first hand, you have to have a comprehensive plan that if I start with these things and run, and then things come up like this, meaningful things. So like that, even if you toss a coin, you never get 6, like in a Ludo kind of things. So even if you run it randomly, you always have to have initial setting, that what I will get after tossing this random run. So in the initial setting, you have to have some initial design. Initial plan you need first hand. You know, so therefore this existence of everything, you have law, you have energy, you have meaningful creation. So that means that a ability is working behind from this universe to create law. Law does not create itself, and then law does not enforce itself. You have to, I mean, I can write a constitution, okay, but I cannot enforce it. Nothing happens according to this law. Okay, to bring anything meaningful with a constitution, we need first-hand proper law design, conceptualization, and then you need energy, ability to enforce that. You have to ensure that every step this law is ensured. So we are standing because the gravity is being ensured. We take this for
Let me
granted.
just interject a second.
Sorry.
So, like I said, my understanding starts at the Big Bang. I might have to go back and, revisit some of my current beliefs and understandings, and you know this brother here might be
this
right.
gentleman is
Something might always come
atheist.
from something else. Nothing comes from nothing. So yeah, that might be true. Again, I need to verify that. But that still doesn't explain why Allah or any other kind of God would be a creator.
Okay, let me defend this. So you have accepted that something is there. Okay, now we identify that what should be the characteristics of that something. We see its effect. So we cannot see it directly. We see effects. So what are the effects of this something? We are conscious being.